Ni ako din, nandito ako ngayon sa salon ni Marites. Tingnan mo ninyo ako. Look, this is before she gonna fix my hair. This is before, ha? Marami ba yan puti niyan? Yan. Oh, before yan. And I'll show you later the after. After results. Si Marites yan ang nagpapaganda sa buhok ko. Dahil, si Dumabag, inisita ito. Magpapaganda na naman sa buhok. Oh. Ngayon, marami akong puti. Mamaya, after the result, I will show you. Pagkatapos. Maganda ang test. Itong kulay mo to test. Gandi mo naman. Nangyawat mangguko atong kuan. $2 sa lang. Wala na ko ni adto. So anyway, this is Dumabag Inisita. I'm trying to show to you, to my viewers, that this is before I'm gonna fix my hair. I mean, Marites will be the one to fix my hair. She gonna cut my hair. She gonna color my hair, and of course, she gonna have my manicure, wala pa pedicure, and because the following day we will have a quarterly birthday celebration. Okay? This is Dumabag Inisita. That's Marites there. Siya ang nagpapaganda sa buhok ko. Thank you for watching.